Hey guys, welcome back, The Urban Cook. What I'm going to do today, I have seen this one before and I thought I'd give it a go. And basically it's, I'm going to mix up an omelette with some onion granules, garlic granules, some aromat, which is like a seasoning, and some chives. And basically what it is, you just make it like a thin omelette and you put one of these tortilla wraps on the top once it's started, and then you flip it over and then you fill it full of some peppers. I've got some yellow peppers and red, and spring onions and some cheese. You can put other ingredients in there if you want, but it is what it is basically. So I'm doing this as like a little snack thing for us tonight. So we'll get started. Before I get started, I'd like to give a big shout out to Team Maggio. Team Maggio have always been there when I'm doing a face-to-face video, or at the moment I'm doing like live streaming, about 11 hours worth of live stream. And Team Maggio are always there. They always show up. They're always there, showing for their support. And if you haven't connected to Team Maggio, I suggest you do so, because I've watched near enough all of their videos. I've still got a couple more playlists to go through, but their food is absolutely awesome, and the presentation is absolutely great. So, Team Maggio, big thumbs up from me. You're awesome. So we'll crack on. I've already prepared all this stuff, so we'll come back and we'll crack on. I'll see you in a minute. Okay, so we're back. I've got, I think it's 6 eggs in here. So what I'm going to do, I've got about teaspoon and a half of chives, so they're going to go in. I've got some onion granules, garlic granules, some seasoning, black pepper, and we'll give this a little mix up. And we'll come back to the pan. So we'll get some olive oil, pour a bit of our mixture in, and just bring it in from the sides. Then we get out one of our tortilla wraps. And basically flip it over. Awesome. we'll add some of our peppers, our spring onions, and our cheese. And basically what we do, we let that warm through from the other side of the tortilla wrap, and then we're going to like fold it in. Just going to add a bit more cheese around the outsides. Okay, so then we're going to flip this. Just seal the edge of the awesome. So what I'll do, I'll make up I've got enough for another 3 of these, so I'll do that and we'll be right back. Okay, so there we have it. A nice omelette backed with tortilla wrap with peppers and spring onions and cheese and chives. So this is going to be really, really tasty. I can smell it from here. And yeah, so we'll have that with a bit of salad or something. So it's just something really easy to do, and it's going to be awesome. So don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. See you later.